Hi, I'd like to tell you about my new standing desk. I received this as a gift from the company so that I could put it together, show you how easy it is to use, and give you my opinion about it. So this is a really nice one because it's adjustable in height. So what that means is you can adjust the height for how tall you are or where you like to work, but not only that, you can adjust the height to sit or to stand. And also I'll show you the bottom of it here in a minute. It's wide enough that it fits a lot of different walking pads. So you can walk and work, or walk and read, or walk and use a tablet, whatever you like to do. It's very versatile. So let me show you some of the features here. Let's get a little bit closer to it. Okay, this is what the top of it looks like. It is the color white. You can get it in other colors, but I wanted you to see this slot here. You can fit a phone or a tablet in that spot. And then of course there's plenty of room here for me for a notebook, pen, my drink, my MacBook, all of that. I want to show you too that it has a couple of different areas that are adjustable in height. So you can do this knob here to make this part go up and down. And then there's also this knob that can go in these different holes to also adjust it there. So there's a lot of versatility with that. And then also notice how wide this is at the bottom. So there's, like I said, there's a lot of room there that will fit many different walking pads, can slide right up underneath it so that you can walk while you are working. So like I said, it was really easy to put together. Comes with an Allen wrench and then this other little wrench, and not a ton of pieces, and very easy to follow, a one-page instruction sheet. And here we've got this. I'm ready to work and stand, and this is really handy. Thanks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of other really cool products like this, please hit subscribe. Thanks.